have held on to that 1-0 lead going into the next round, but unfortunately we could not have been as disciplined I would have liked. But I must say that we're very pleased with the boys. They responded well today, playing against this Mount Pleasant team, and to have created so many chances and to limit them to to just a few chances. I think they did us well today. Well, there's no one thing that I can identify, but it's just unfortunate we could not have been more disciplined in the last minute of the game, and such is the nature of the game. But importantly, we have another leg and we look forward to that. Well, we just have to ensure that we prevent them from scoring and keep our composure throughout the entire game. We have to wait until the whistle blows. So we have to continue to be positive and prevent them from creating many chances, and then we push them on the counter as best as we can, because we know that we have competent players to do well for us. And I'm very pleased with the boys today, and we just look forward to the excellent counter. Well, who wouldn't want to? It's just that that's the nature of football. So most goals score at the end of the game, but we'll have to try to see how best we can prevent them from doing so, while we look forward to getting an early one next week.